am getting ready to start taking these doors down. This is it. I'm done with the doors. First of all, before I take the screws out, I think I can just take this door out. Oh, that's probably the best thing to do, is just take this door out. Because remember, the other one broke. Here, we're just going to use a shower curtain. Oh, see how easy that was? We're going to take these off. Hold on. Hold on. You know, I am someone that does not use a tool very often. But I'm so determined to take off these doors. I don't want to deal with it no more. No more doors. This is my last screw in the walls. Ugh. I still got glass in the bottom. I couldn't get it out before because, okay, so now I have to, because these are in with silicone, I'm gonna have to get a razor to cut all that out. I'm also doing this for sanitary reasons because, you know, these doors, it makes it so hard. Uh-oh, I think this was stripped. Because it's not coming out. It's not doing anything. Oh, yes it is. I think it's coming out. Oh, there it goes. Another piece of glass. So it's just, now I don't have to deal with that anymore. Got glass pieces. Still is not sanitary. It's hard to get even clean all the time. So now, if I can't get these out, then I will get a razor. Yeah, so they're in there. So I'm gonna get a razor to cut out all that silicone. But I'm so much happier with no doors, and I'm just gonna put up shower curtains. So see all the silicone? So I'm gonna cut all that out with a razor. Master bathroom, I have this one door, but I just want them all gone. I want them all gone. So I need to go get a ladder. Hold on. Okay, this is my master bathroom. I had to go get a ladder because, see if I can take out this door, because I just don't want any doors here. They're old school. I'm trying to make this home what I, oh, and see, this is already coming out. It's already loose. Hold on. Okay. Well, hold on, y'all. I need to unscrew the screw in the inside. Somewhere. I just don't know where. So maybe I can just pick it up and take it out. Hold Hold on, let me see. Oh, there you go. I did this all by myself. Oh my. Now I can clean my bathrooms. So now I can clean my bathrooms because it's just so hard to get in between those grooves. So now it's just going to be so much easier to clean. I'm going to take off, has more silicone. So, but I'm going to take off these. So I still have to take out the screws along the walls. Oh, I hit the button on accident. I'm in here working up a sweat. You know, you just want your home to be what you like. And these doors are old school, for sure. Wow, that one's already coming off. There you have it. And this one's off too. So I just have to, this is coming off easy. And this is coming off. And then this one, wow, there you go. I got some holes in here, so I'm not worried about that. I will, maybe I'll paint them or something, I don't know. But now I can clean up around the edges. It's all done. Yay me! As I'm still working on, so I need to, since I have all my screws out, now I need to take off this. And it's not that easy. And they put a lot of silicone on these. On the other one in my other bathroom, it popped right off. This one's not coming off so easily. Okay, this one's coming off. Look at there, look at there. This one's coming off. But the other one, I might need some help. And it's got a little plastic. I think people use this for, it says putty on it. I bought it like when I first moved in. Okay, this one's easier. To take off than the other side. I might need some help to take that one off. So, So this one didn't seem like it's as easy to get down as the other one. And I'm almost at my 3 minutes, so I'm gonna have to piece together this video. Oh, okay, there it goes. Ouch. Okay, now I got it. So this is the final. I already went and purchased my shower curtains. Now let me show you how it looks. I love it. No doors. I went and purchased some pegs to put inside the holes just to seal them up. Now the shower is completely open. This is the front shower and bathroom. And now no doors. Won't have to worry about bumping into the doors when you go into the bathroom. It's just a nice clean finish. This is the master bathroom. Once again, the door is gone. I love it. Don't have to worry about opening the door, closing the door. I've put the pegs in. That one has a little bit of piece cut out, but it cleaned up very nicely. No residue. I had to use Goo Gone to get off all the tacky silicone. And now it's a clean finish. So this is the end. Thank you for watching.